Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete or edit message in Google Chat. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Google Chat with my computer and I'm going to show you how you can edit or delete message on the Google Chat. First of all guys, I'm going to send a message to this account. I'm just going to send hello, how are you? And let's say that I got typo, so I'm going to edit it. Okay, if I want to edit message on the Google Chat, we just need to click on this pencil icon. Oops, you can select your message and then select this edit option, and then here you'll be able to edit your message. Okay, and then you just need to click on update. Okay, and now the message has been edited. And then if you want to delete it, you just need to click on these three dots, go to more actions, and then you can simply click on delete and you will get this question and just click on delete. Okay, and now the message has been deleted from the Google Chat. Okay guys, and that's all the way to edit or delete message on Google Chat. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.